Here we are at Reducto Beach in Arrecife, Lanzarote, and just panning around there showing some apartments. I think they're residential over there. Beautiful beach, but the red flag's flying, so I don't know why. I think it's not safe to swim because of pollution, maybe because I had a lot of rain recently. And there you see our hotel, which is the Arrecife Grand Hotel. Beautiful 5-star hotel, lovely inside, beautiful food as well, really nice food. And then there's, I can't remember the name of the island again, it's designed by Cesar Manrique. Beautiful, pristine. I've done another video on that one. You have to go onto our YouTube channel to see that one. Anyway, there you go, there's Reducto Beach, the frontage of it in Arrecife. Beautiful place, lovely beach. Go to our YouTube channel, that's DJ Travels, and subscribe, like and follow us, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.